Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into an exciting discovery that's shaking up the world of particle physics. Scientists at CERN have just found a heavier version of the proton, and this isn't your average particle. Imagine a proton on steroids, 4 times heavier than the regular one. But what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? So, these brilliant minds at CERN have this incredible machine called the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC for short. It's like a particle race track where protons zoom around at insane speeds, almost reaching the speed of light. When these particles collide, it's like a mini Big Bang, creating a shower of new particles. And that's where our heavy proton friend comes in. Now, here's the fascinating part. This heavy proton is made up of 2 charm quarks instead of the usual up quarks. Quarks are the building blocks of protons, and these charm quarks are like the heavyweight champions of the subatomic world. The particle, named 11cc+, is a real mouthful, but it's a big deal because it helps us understand the strong nuclear force. You see, the strong force is like a superpowered rubber band. It holds the innards of atomic nuclei together, and the more you try to pull particles apart, the stronger it gets. It's like the universe's way of saying, you shall not pass. Personally, I find this force mind-boggling. It's like nature's ultimate glue, and we are just starting to understand its secrets. The discovery of this heavy proton is a huge step forward, but it's also a bit of a wake-up call. Funding for particle physics research, especially for the LHCb upgrade, is under threat. UK scientists are facing cuts, and this could impact our ability to explore the universe's mysteries. It's a real shame because these experiments are like windows into the cosmos, revealing the fundamental building blocks of everything we know. What many people don't realize is that these particle collisions are like time machines, recreating the conditions of the early universe. By studying these particles, we are essentially looking back at the beginning of time. It's like reading the universe's diary, and we are only just scratching the surface. In my opinion, the LHC and experiments like LHCb are crucial for pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. They allow us to ask deeper questions about the nature of reality. Why do particles behave the way they do? What are the fundamental forces that shape our universe? These are the kinds of questions that keep me up at night, and I'm sure many of you are curious too. So, what does this discovery mean for the future of particle physics? Well, it's a reminder that there's still so much to explore and understand. The universe is full of surprises, and each discovery opens up new avenues of research. Personally, I can't wait to see what other secrets the LHC will uncover. Who knows what exotic particles are waiting to be discovered? In conclusion, the heavier proton discovery is a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and the incredible technology we've developed. It's a call to action to support research and keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. The universe is vast, and we've only just begun to explore it. Let's keep the curiosity alive and see where it takes us next.